You are selfish, you are wicked, and you don't have human feeling. You keep seeing my videos popping up on your screen, asking for Nnamdi Kanu freedom, but you know greed share, because it not be your family. This man has family, he has friends, he has relatives, but he's locked up, and it's your responsibility to ask for his freedom. He's a human. So why are you skipping? Where are my Igbo brothers who has bigger accounts who can actually share this sound to make it go viral? We can make it happen here on TikTok. Anything is possible with one mind. Share this sound. Let's make this sound go viral. Use this sound and write free Nnamdi Kanu on your video, and people will watch it. I can assure you of that. I'm sure this is the next sound to go viral, and we can make it happen here on TikTok. Depends on your attitude towards it. Use this sound right here. You are selfish.
Nigerian secret police DSS denying access to Nnamdi Kanu ahead of June 19 trial. Legal team kicks. The legal team of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has raised the alarm that Nigeria's secret police, the Department of State Services, DSS, has denied the team access to Kanu to prepare him for the trial selected for June 19 and 20. The legal team said this on Friday after it was at the DSS headquarters, saying such denial was in flagrant disregard to the orders of the court and in desperate efforts to frustrate every prospect of fair trial for Nnamdi Kanu. The legal team disclosed this in a statement issued on Friday after it was denied access to meet with the IPOB leader, who has been in detention since June 2021 after he was renditioned to Nigeria from Kenya. Titled, "As the hearing date draws near, the DSS continues to hinder Nnamdi Kanu's right to fair trial," and signed by Aloy Ejimakor, ESQ for the legal team. The team described the disobedience of a subsisting court order by the DSS as symbolic of what has become an executive self-indictment of the trial that the government itself and the court insist must take place. As the next hearing or trial of Nnamdi Kanu's case, scheduled for 19th and 20th June 2024, looms close, the State Security Services, DSS, continues on its infamous path of frustrating every prospect of fair trial for Nnamdi Kanu, the statement noted. Today, being 14th June 2024, the DSS once again exhibited its vested disrespect for judicial pronouncements when it, in disobedience of court order, refused Nnamdi Kanu's Lega L team to meet with him as a team, or together, to prepare him for the said hearing trial, commencing on 19th June. The DSS insisted that members of the legal team, including the undersigned counsel, must meet with Nnamdi Kanu separately, or we must leave the premises. For this reason, Nnamdi Kanu's team of lawyers left the DSS facility without seeing him, a situation that will surely complicate the hearing on 19th June. This latest disobedience of a subsisting court order by the DSS is symbolic of what has become an executive self-indictment of the trial that the government itself and the court insist must take place. The legal team warned that they will resist any trial that is against the tenets of the Constitution, wondering why the Attorney General and Minister for Justice, AGF, still bent on prosecuting the case when the government could not obey a simple court order that is directly geared to giving them the trial they so much desire. If they do not obey a simple court order that is directly geared to giving them the trial they so much desire, why then is the AGF still bent on prosecuting the case? Are we to believe that it is only a sham trial that they secretly desire? To be sure, it is impossible to prosecute a case without having the ingredients of a fair hearing in place. These antics are further evidence that the case against Nnamdi Kanu has no merit, hence the reason every avenue for a fair hearing is being blocked. If the AGF through the DSS are apprehensive of the fell consequences of a fair trial, then they need to do the needful by discontinuing this case without further ado. Otherwise, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his legal team will resist any trial that is against the tenets of the Constitution, the team insisted. Also on the other news, Association of Nigeria Delta Communities has written to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, urging him to release the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The association, in a letter dated June 13th and jointly signed by its president, Isa Mohammed Obiri, and Secretary, Wisdom Oteyi, argued that Kanu was only advocating equitable distribution of Niger Delta resources and committed no crime to warrant his continued incarceration. According to the association, Kanu's concerns are shared by other citizens of the region, hence, he has the support of other Niger Delta citizens. We are writing to you on behalf of the Association of Niger Delta Upland Communities and concerned citizens to urgently request the liberation of our Igbo Biafran brother and activist, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is presently detained for peacefully advocating for the just distribution of natural resources in our regions. This individual has not violated any laws and is simply exercising his rights to demand what rightfully belongs to us. We beseech the government to release this activist and engage in a dialogue to address his concerns, which are shared by many of us. The association cautioned that continued detention of Kanu against growing appeals for his release could ultimately lead to unrest in the region. Failing to do so may only exacerbate tensions, potentially leading to unrest and public demonstrations. We sincerely believe that through dialogue and mutual understanding, a resolution can be achieved that benefits all parties involved. We respectfully urge the government to take the necessary steps to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the esteemed activist, within the next 14 days for the betterment of our regions and the nation as a whole. We are confident that by taking this action, we can prevent further unrest and progress towards a peaceful resolution of the current situation. But your inability to release our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will unravel what will shock the whole world. We, the Niger Delta Upland Communities, will expose the high and mighty. We have faith in your leadership and dedication to upholding justice and fairness for all citizens. Your prompt response to this issue will not only showcase your commitment to the rule of law, but also foster unity and harmony within our society. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't go away.
You are selfish, you are wicked, and you don't have human feeling. You keep seeing my videos popping up on your screen, asking for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom, but you know greed share, because it not be your family. This man has family, he has friends, he has relatives, but he's locked up, and it's your responsibility to ask for his freedom. He's a human. So why are you skipping? Where are my Igbo brothers who has bigger accounts who can actually share this sound to make it go viral? We can make it happen here on TikTok. Anything is possible with one mind. Share this sound. Let's make this sound go viral. Use this sound and write free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on your video, and people will watch it. I can assure you of that. I'm sure this is the next sound to go viral, and we can make it happen here on TikTok. Depends on your attitude towards it. Use this sound right here.